Hi everyone, it is a beautiful day here at Leach Camper Sales in Lincoln, and we are in the 2014 Winnebago Ultralight 31BHDS travel trailer. Let's take a look. As you walk up the stairs, you are right in the living area and the kitchen. Nice sofa, a booth dinette. Those are both in the slide on the driver's side there. Turn around, we can see the entertainment center has a TV. Lots of good cabinet space in the kitchen area. It's got the residential pull-out faucet and sink covers. The pink stuff is just from our winterization. Cabinets up above. Microwave. This has a separate range hood for the 3-burner stove and oven. Moving on, we have the refrigerator and another cabinet. And down here on this wall is the thermostat. There's some more cabinet space over here. And in this door is the bathroom. This one does have 2 entry doors. So this would be the second entry door, so you can get to the bathroom from outside. Mirrored medicine cabinet. And a good-sized shower with a skylight. There's another mirror on the door. If we keep going, we enter the bunk room. So there's a bunk on top and on the bottom. Some more cabinets and a space for a TV. Over here there is another bunk on the top and a couch that folds out into a bed. There's a sliding door so you can separate this room from the other. And the bedroom is just to the right when you walk in the door. And this also has sliding doors on each side. Ooh, that one must be latched at the bottom. Let's go take a look at the outside. This is the outside of that 2014 Winnebago Ultralight. It has an electric tongue jack, triple folding stairs for the main entrance with a folding assist handle, nice tinted windows, some outside speakers, and a large awning. Here's that second door that leads into the bathroom. Again, triple folding stairs to get into there. And it has an outside kitchen with a mini fridge, sink, and 2-burner stove. And that stove piece does fold down and push into the countertop there so that you can close that up. It has a spare tire on the back. The nice little rain gutters up on top on the corners. Here's the bunk room slide. And then this is the dinette and couch slide in the main area. Got some hookups there. Those compartments, I do believe, go all the way through. It's got a lot of lights on the outside. Overall, a really nice unit. If you'd like to see this or any of our other used travel trailers, you can come down to Leach Camper Sales in Lincoln, Nebraska on the corner of 27th and Cornhusker Highway. One of our salesmen would be more than happy to help you.